Hello friends, subscribers and new viewers of this channel. In this tutorial we explain how to install and use Whisperfile model that will enable you to easily and quickly convert speech or audio files to text. More importantly, since this model is released under Apache license, you can use it for free. The power of this model is in the fact that it is lightweight, fast and reliable, and you can integrate it in other projects. For example, you can build your own speech-based large language model, or you can use it for some other purpose, such as, for example, sending commands to a robot or to an autonomous system. Here is a real-time demonstration of how effective this model is. What I will do now, I'm going to record my voice by using this sound recorder. Then I'm going to save the recording, and then I will use the model to convert the speech in this recording to the text file. So let's start. Over here I will click and I will record my voice. Hello, is this thing working? I want to test this program. Now, can I convert my speech to text? Today it's a nice day. The sky is blue, I can see mountains and sea. That's all. Can you convert this speech to text? Okay. So let's stop this recording and let's save it as test recording. And over here, I will click and then I will export it to my folder. I will save it over here, and note over here that the recording extension is FLAC. You can also use MP3 files, or you can also use WAV file or some other audio file format, and I will export it. Okay, now I will run the model. I will simply go to the terminal. I will see my file. Here it is, and with a single line, let me just do it. Here it is. I can convert this file to text. I just need to enter the name of the file here, test recording. Let me make sure that everything is correct. Test recording.flag, that's it. And over here I'm calling the model and I'm specifying the name of the output file, and then I will run this with an enter, and more or less within less than, for example, 0.5 seconds, I will generate the text. So let's see the text file. If I type gedit output.text, here it is. Hello, is this thing working? I want to test this program. Now, can I convert my speech to text? And you can also see the timestamps. This is truly amazing. This is a mini size or lightweight model, and you can also install a medium size or even a large model. Okay, so let's explain how to install and run this software. Here is the official Hugging Face website of this model, and if you click over here, you will see all the model files. You will see tiny model, small model, medium size model, and large model. Here in this tutorial, I will explain how to use and install tiny model. However, everything explained in this tutorial can be generalized to other models. Okay, so the idea over here is to download this file, to set this file's permissions such that we can execute, and we can simply execute it by giving the name of the audio file, and this model will do all the magic. That's it, simple as that. Now, to download this model, you can actually use wget, or you can simply click here and you can download the file. Let's use the wget approach. First of all, let me open this manual I wrote, and I'm going to post all the commands that I'm executing in this tutorial, and I will give a separate link to that post. Okay, so let's start. Let's open the terminal. And over here in this terminal, let me first resize it. Let's make sure that we are in the home folder, and here in the home folder, let's create the codes folder, and let's navigate to this code folder, and in this code folder we will simply download the tiny model. Here it is. Okay, now be patient here. Now, As a first test, we will download MP3 file provided over here. Namely, on this official Hugging Face website, you will see two files. These are basically audio files of a poem written by Edgar Allan Poe. It's his famous poem called The Raven. Okay, and we are going to download this MP3 file and use it as a test. So let's do that. We simply need to specify the path to the file on the Hugging Face folder, and here it is. Now let's type ls/la and let's see what's happening. The issue currently with our model file is that we cannot execute. Consequently, we need to set the permission for this file. We can do it like this. Simple as that. We are just setting the permissions that we can execute this file. And let's see it now. Good. It became green. This means that we can execute this file. So how to execute this file? Well, simple like this. You just specify the name of the model. Then you specify the name of the file, a Raven Poe.mp3, and over here I'm specifying this option PC. This means that we will generate a colored output. That's it. So let's see how it works. Set it here and bang. Here it is. You can see how the text is being generated. This is a LibriVox recording, and you can see everything here, how everything is recorded with the proper timestamp and everything. And this is done in real time, and you can see that the poem is being generated. Note that this poem is probably, I think, even 10-15 minutes long. So here it is. By the way, let's listen to this poem before we continue. Let me go to the home folder, let me find my codes, and let me just play it here, and let's see.
This is a LibriVox recording. All LibriVox recordings are in the public domain. For more information, please visit
Good.
LibriVox.
And you can see that this file is actually 8 or 9 minutes long. It took maybe 10 seconds to convert it. Awesome. Okay, now you can see over here the output. However, this output is not readable. We would like to generate an output and to save it in a text file. So let's learn how to do that. Okay, let's bring up the manual. To do that, first of all, I'm going to install gedit. Gedit is a very powerful software for editing files. Let's install it. And now look what I will do. I'm just going to run this. I'm going to repeat the previous command. Over here, I'm just going to say the following. Do not save, do not display everything in a terminal. Instead, open, better to say, create a new file called output.txt and save the output to that file. Simple as that. And let's run this, and let's now be patient. This will take some time, maybe 10 to 15 seconds. And let's see. Let's now wait. Let's just wait for a while, and it should be completed soon. Over here we can see the statistics. It took around 25 seconds to generate the audio, or better to say, to generate the text out of this file. So let's see the text file. Here it is, and let's inspect this text file by simply typing gedit output.txt, and here it is. Voila! The complete poem is transcribed and written as a text, and you can see all the timestamps. This is truly amazing. Okay, let's continue. Next, let me show you a few tricks how you can more effectively use this program. First of all, you can also specify a GPU option. So let's do that by using a GPU option. You simply need to modify a few things. Over here, you need to specify that GPU is going to be auto-detected, and let's try to run it, and let's specify the output2.txt file. Now, there is a possibility that this model is already set up that it automatically recognizes my GPU. However, let me try to enforce it to recognize my GPU. So let's see. Now I'm running everything with the GPU. However, most likely my GPU is detected by just using default. Okay, you can see that GPU is recognized. Currently I'm running this on NVIDIA GeForce RTX 2060 Super. This is not a high-end GPU. I also have another GPU which is 3090. Okay, you see the speed up. Good. Now it took around 16 seconds to generate the output, and let's see the output. And here it is. Works very good. Perfect. Next, let's test this program by using our own audio file. To do that, first of all, we need to install an audio recorder or a sound recorder. To do that, you need to execute this. And then let's open the sound recorder. Click here and search for recorder. And here's the sound recorder. And we can record our own voice. So click here, record, and start recording. Currently I'm recording my voice and I want to use this audio file to test the program. Let's see, will it work? Can it recognize my accent? This is also very important. It can recognize a wide variety of accents. Let's stop this. Let's now click here to save. Let's export the file. Let's save it in this code folder, and I'm going to call it as test recording. Okay, let's save it. Let's close this software. Let's make sure that the file is here. Here it is, test recording.flag. Notice that we can also use FLAC files, we can use MP3 files, we can use WAV or WAV files. It doesn't matter. This software will be able to use almost any audio file. If not, if you have a specific audio file, you can simply convert it. Okay, let's now use the software. Let's do it like this. Over here we need to specify the name of the file. The name of the file, let me just paste it here. So the name of the file is textrecording.flag, and let's specify the name of the file as output3.text, and that's it. So let's run this and let's see how long it takes. 1 second. Simple as that. Let's see the output. Output3.text, and voila, here record and start recording. Currently I'm recording my voice and I want to use this audio file to test the program. This is perfect. This is truly amazing. Good. Okay, that's all for today. Thanks a lot for watching, and please press the like and subscribe buttons. And see you in the next video tutorial.